Take transitions for Premiere Pro. Here is the folder you have just downloaded from Envato or from Elements. And here in the mocked files are your transitions. The three folders include landscape, portrait and square of the identical transition. In our example, we will use a landscape. Drag and drop one of these transitions here in the Essential Graphic menu in the Browse panel. And then drop this transition exactly in the middle of your two clips. You might need to zoom a bit in order to place it exactly in the middle. This transition uses placeholders, so you have to cut here using the C shortcut, cut in the same place. So select the transition, take the first media here and place it in the first placeholder and the second media in the second placeholder. Then what you need to do is Ctrl X, cut that part here and go to placeholder number 1, double click, delete that media, place your new one here. The same for the second placeholder. Go here in the placeholder, double click, delete that media and place your new media here. Your transition is now ready. It renders really fast and that's it. The transition includes some controls. These controls are the transparency and opacity here slider for the glitches, this noise here, and 3 sliders for the chromatic effect, which includes a red, a green and a blue chromatic as you see here. I hope you enjoy working with these SAIC transitions for Premiere Pro and make great promos. Thanks for watching.